Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup without a blender. You'll learn simple, hands-on techniques to achieve a wonderfully smooth and flavorful soup. We'll cover everything from preparing your fresh tomatoes to simmering them into a rich, comforting meal. Get ready to enjoy a classic dish, made entirely from scratch, using just a few basic kitchen tools and about 45 minutes of your time. First, let's prepare our tomatoes for that perfect texture. Score a small X on the bottom of each tomato, then blanch them in boiling water for about 30 seconds. This helps the skins slip right off. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking. Once cooled, peel away the skins and gently squeeze out the seeds. Finally, chop your prepared tomatoes into small, consistent pieces, ready for the pot. Now, let's build the rich flavor base for our soup. In a large pot, sauté finely diced onions and minced garlic in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they are soft and translucent. Add your prepared tomatoes, along with a small pinch of sugar to enhance their natural sweetness and balance any acidity. Pour in about 4 cups of vegetable broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, and let it cook for at least 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, it's time to achieve that lovely, smooth consistency without a blender. Use a potato masher or even a sturdy fork to gently crush the softened tomatoes directly in the pot. Mash until you reach your desired texture. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps some fresh basil. For extra creaminess, stir in a splash of heavy cream or milk. Serve your delicious, homemade tomato soup warm, perhaps with a grilled cheese, sandwich, or crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.